Everyone's doing the same exact thing.
Need to go way higher on it?
Well, they're trying to, but no one gets to that point before they roll. You might want to take that far right now, that ramp. Or that farthest ramp up.
Yep.
Open the front. Air locker. Snap. Oh, he had it.
Just don't start yelling at him.
No? Alright. I hear you. Who can I yell at?
You just gave it up. You're sensitive to yelling. Now we're all going to get it on
I'm
you.
going to be yelling at Jesse or DSI then. Stop competing with each other. Yeah, that's exactly. Now Jesse's going to say, well, I can do it even faster. Yeah. So they're both getting up upside down.
That's okay. First time I came through here, I had Jesse's old flat.